Hey there! In this niche Email Pro GPT review, I'm going to show you a powerful AI tool that can help you write high-converting sales emails in 14 profitable niches, without spending hours or hiring expensive copywriters. Stick around because I'll also break down the upgrades OTOS so you know exactly what's inside before making a decision. If you're new to my channel, welcome. I'm Kamal, an experienced six-figure affiliate marketer with over 6 years in the industry. I make these reviews to help you find the best tools and strategies to boost your online income. If that sounds good, hit the like button, subscribe, and tap the bell notification so you never miss an update. And before we dive in, I've got some exclusive bonuses if you decide to grab Niche Email Pro GPT using my link below. Trust me, you don't want to miss them. Check the description for details. So what exactly is Niche Email Pro GPT? It's a custom-trained AI tool designed to write high-converting emails in 14 profitable niches. Whether you're an affiliate marketer, e-com seller, coach, or local business owner, this tool helps you generate powerful email sequences in seconds. Profitable niches: covered, weight loss and fitness, survival and prepping parenting, and personal development; affiliate marketing and e-commerce, local business marketing, dog training, investing, and more. Each AI model is pre-trained to craft engaging, persuasive, and high-converting emails without you having to write a single word. Here's what makes Niche Email Pro GPT a must-have. 14 AI-powered email writers. No more struggling with what to say. 1,400 AI image prompts. Create stunning visuals for emails and social media. 70 DFY PLR products. Use as lead magnets or sell for profit. Commercial license. Offer AI email writing as a service. No ChatGPT Plus required. Works with the free ChatGPT plan. It's literally like having a team of professional email copywriters without paying $100 per email. How it works: log into ChatGPT and select the GPT for your niche. Enter your email goal, promotion, newsletter, follow-up, etc. Get your high-converting email in seconds, ready to send. See how fast that was? This tool completely removes the guesswork from email marketing. Okay, let's go over and play a quick demo video explaining this a little bit more.
Struggling to write high-converting sales emails? Spending hours crafting the perfect pitch only to get ignored? Imagine if you had a tool that instantly wrote persuasive, high-converting emails tailored for your niche without the hassle, frustration, or guesswork. Introducing Niche Email Pro GPT, your ultimate digital sales weapon. This powerful digital bundle gives you everything you need to dominate 12 of the hottest, most profitable niches without writing a single email from scratch. Inside, you'll get 12 AI-powered GPTs. Each one is custom-trained to write compelling sales emails for a specific niche, including diet and weight loss, fitness and exercise, parenting, survival, e-commerce, affiliate marketing, dog training, investing and personal finance, dating for men, dating for women, personal development and manifestation, and more. No more writer's block. Just enter a few details and let AI craft your perfect email sequence instantly. But that's not all. Bonus 1. 1,200 image creation prompts. Get 100 high-impact AI image prompts for each niche, perfect for email marketing, social media, and ad creatives. Bonus 2. 60 done-for-you ebooks. Each niche includes 5 ebooks you can use as lead magnets, bonuses, or sell as your own products. Boost your conversions, build authority, and scale faster. No need to be a copywriter, no need to hire expensive freelancers. Just plug in, generate, and start closing more sales today. Limited time offer. Get instant access now. Click below to grab Niche Email Pro GPT and skyrocket your sales today. Don't miss out. This is the easiest way to dominate your niche and explode your profits.
Hello and welcome to this demo video where we want to show you exactly what you are getting in our new product Niche Email Pro GPT. Let's get started. So after you purchase the product, this is the page where you will be able to access your new tools. If we are going to scroll down on this page, we are going to see that the first part in the first part of the page, we are going to be able to access the GPTs, and we have all of them listed here for each of the niches that you already know about. So for this example, let's go and just select the affiliate marketing GPT. It would be very good if you are already logged into your ChatGPT account. If not, go ahead and log in. We are already logged in. So I'm going to press the Access GPT button, and we are going to see that automatically it opens a new chat in ChatGPT, which says here newsletter writer, affiliate marketing. And the cool part about this is that we can see we already have free prompts or free options that we can use from the get-go, but we can also insert our own prompt if we want to personalize more or something like that. Now remember that these GPTs are trained to write emails based on sales emails that there were already created and that were created to convert. So that's why this is very useful. Okay, and for this example, let's just select the first option. I need 10 newsletters for my affiliate marketing product, for my affiliate marketing business promoting digital courses. Okay, and it will start to create the 10 emails for us. We have to give it a few minutes, and after it's done, we can just copy them, obviously edit them or personalize them more if you want to, and that's pretty much it. Now if you want to go back, we just click here in the top left corner on the GPT new chat. It will redirect us to the initial page, and here we can give whatever prompt we want or select again one of the free options. Now let's go back on the download page or on the access page of the product. Now we know exactly how to access the GPTs to write emails, and if you scroll down, we can see that we have the option to download the rest of the products. We also give you the option to download the GPT Builder Kit, which allows you basically to create your own GPTs based on what we have already done, but obviously you can personalize them in your own style. Okay, add your own descriptions, knowledge files, instructions, and so on. Then we also give you 60 PLR products. These are ebooks, 5 for each of the niches, which obviously you can give away when you sell your own products or when you promote affiliate offers. Those are very, let's say, very carefully selected ebooks to be relevant for those niches, so to make sense for your audience. Okay, and then we have another product, which is the image prompts packs. Basically, you have 100 prompts for image creation for each of the 12 niches. Those are put in Word files. It's very easy. You just have to copy and paste them, and they work with absolutely any model of image creation AI, like they work in ChatGPT. You can use them with Grok, you can use them with Flux, you can use them with Leonardo, and probably you will be able to use them with other models that will appear in the future. And just to show you an example, I will go back to the ChatGPT page and we'll show you, because I've made the test a little bit earlier today. And if we look here in today's history, on the left side, we have this image. I usually don't like what ChatGPT gives in terms of results when I use it for image creation, but this one is actually pretty decent. Okay, so this was the prompt, and basically I've copy and pasted the prompt and added in front, created an image of, and just pasted the prompt here, and this is the image which ChatGPT created, which is pretty decent, right? Now let's go back to the page, to the access page of the products. Obviously on this page you will also be able to download your bonuses. You just click here and you are going to be able to download your bonuses, and that's pretty much it. On the right side you can get access to the other special offers that we have for people who have purchased Niche Email Pro GPT, if you want to get even more tools like that. Now, thank you very much for watching, and we hope that you are going to make most out of this product.
Now, let's talk about the upgrades, OTOs, so you know exactly what's available after you buy the main product. OTO 1, Upgrade Package, 37. Get 14 Lead Gen GPTs plus 15 Online Business Assistant GPTs. OTO 2, DFY Sales Materials, 37. Done for you sales pages, email sequences and more. OTO 3, affiliate marketing and DFY review site. 47. Pre-built affiliate site plus training. OTO 4-DFY website agency business $. 347 build and sell 70 DFY websites. Each upgrade helps increase your earning potential and automates even more of your business. What I like about niche email. Pro GPT beginner friendly. No writing skills or copywriting experience needed. Multiple niches covered. Works for affiliate marketing, e-commerce, coaching, and more. No monthly fees. One-time payment. Use it forever. Commercial rights included. Sell email writing services for profit. What could be improved? Not a magic button. You still need to test and optimize your emails. Upsells required for maximum value. The front end is great, but upgrades unlock even more automation. Overall, this is one of the best AI-powered email tools I've seen, especially for affiliate marketers and online business owners. Special bonuses if you buy through my link. Bonus number 1. My personal email marketing cheat sheet, value $47. Bonus number 2. 10. Additional AI image prompts for social media, value $27. Bonus 3. Private mastermind access for AI email marketers, value priceless. Plus, use code NEPGPT at checkout for $10 off. Grab your copy below. So, should you grab Niche Email Pro GPT? If you want a done-for-you AI-powered email marketing system, then yes, this is a must-have. For just $27, or $17 with the discount, you get AI-generated emails, image prompts, DFY products, and a tool that can literally generate sales on autopilot. Click the link below to grab your copy, claim my exclusive bonuses, and start automating your email marketing today. Thanks for watching my Niche Email Pro GPT review. Let me know in the comments, what do you think of this tool? Will you be using it? If you found this helpful, hit the like button, subscribe, and drop a comment below. See you in the next video.